We are now in our Eclipse series. Eclipse is a series of latches, but not only latches for the deck. What we found is that almost on every boat you go to look, you often find different latches on the same boat. Sometimes you have aluminum and sometimes we have stainless, so you don't feel a feeling on the boat. So we decide to make a series of latches. So every boat can have in the bow, in the deck, inside or outside, or for any function, the same look. So we have a small size that you can see here, a medium size, you can see here, and a big size. All of them comes in different function. So we have a simple handle to lift, we have a push lock system, and we have a turn and lift system. The turn and lift is the more complex because it has a lot of function. So it comes with an optional key, if you like. It comes with a visual indicator, so you can see when you have the red dot near each other, it means it's closed, and when it's not near, it means it's open. So very easy to see the function. We also have this special ring. It takes quite a lot to design this ring because we call it Lego system. Because depending on the thickness of the deck, you just receive one part number and you can adjust the thickness of the latches, just adding or taking away this ring. So very easy to install, very flexible in the production. And also for the logistics side of your yard, you don't have to handle a lot of part numbers, but you just have one part number that can handle every thickness of the boat. Other nice function that we designed, it's this nut that is very easy to install when you are in production, and also give an advantage to the end user that he can adjust the strength when you close the latch very easily, because you don't need any wrench. You just go by hand and you can adjust and then tighten it again. It's fully waterproof. We have two gaskets inside to make it fully waterproof, and we have different kind of levers, so you can really use it in almost any application. Last but not least function of the special nut is that is a safety exit, because whenever you have accidentally you close a person inside, actually he can unscrew it, and it's a safety escape system. Probably one of the main features of Eclipse is the big handle. Thanks to the design, the handle is on the outside, the external part of the latch. And this allows, with the same diameter of our competitor, we have a much bigger handle that can help the end user with a nice grip and with a comfortable grip, actually. And this is a function that it takes a lot of time to design it, and we are very proud of it.